Hey friends, if JPG Preview is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So let me show you what a JPG file looks like. This is an image file and JPG is the basic format. Now my first approach should be confirming whether it is a JPG file at all, because all image files are not supposed to be in preview. So right click on the file, select show more options and click on properties. It mentions JPG here, which means it's a JPG file. Alternatively, you can open the file explorer and click on view, show, and check file name extensions and check if it mentions .jpg. The second solution is to select the correct view. So I will go to the pictures tab and I have my image here. Now, if I was selecting the details view, I wouldn't see any thumbnail, or if I selected the list view, I wouldn't see any thumbnail. Thumbnails are only visible on selected views like extra large, large, medium, small. Okay, it's not available for small, and it's for tiles. Yes, you can see that. As for the content view, no, yeah, you can see that. So I prefer the large icons view, and you can also try this one for the thumbnails. The third solution is to reset File Explorer to default. If you may have missed the settings and you do not remember the right ones, then click on these three dots here, select options, click on restore defaults, apply, OK. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. In the elevated command prompt window, type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Once the SFC scan is complete, it will fix the problem. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.